Hello, my wonderful students, and welcome to this lecture on common file types used by data scientists. So let's go ahead and get started. The first file type that I want to speak about is .csv. It stands for comma separated values. This is a file type that allows data to be stored in a table structured format, and if you want to work in tech or e-commerce, this is a common file type used for importing and exporting customer and payment data. The next file type that I want to speak about is .ipymb. This is an IPython and Jupyter Notebook file. This is a really common file type, especially for people that want to use Pandas, which is Python's version of Excel. Often I'll actually import a .csv file into a .ipymb file for the purpose of data analysis using Pandas. The .py file is an alternative to the .ipymb file. These are both files that can run Python scripts inside of them. Another file type used by data scientists is the .json file. This is a JavaScript object notation file, and if you do any web scraping, this is a file that you'll see quite a bit of. The .txt file is a text formatted file. You can think of this as a watered down version of Word and is often good for just writing quick notes on. Finally, there is the .xlsx file. This is an Excel workbook file. Now, as a data scientist, you may have access to a ton of tools, machine learning, pandas, Python, etc. But Excel is a universally accepted platform and file type for businesses globally. So as a good data scientist, it is important to know about all sorts of different data and file types. So that's all I have for this lecture. Thank you all for listening. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next lecture. Until then, happy learning.